So how often do I actually come on camera with no makeup on my face, guys? Like, never. I've never ever like done an intro barefaced without makeup, guys. So guys, if you think that my skin is looking glowy, flawless, healthy, firm, just keep watching, guys. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So today's video is all about a local brand here in Singapore and they are called ulyabeauty. I want to thank them so much for actually sending me their entire skincare range to test out and review for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing and show you guys what products they actually sent me. A short story, I want to mention this. They actually did a product launch, I think about a couple of weeks ago, and I couldn't attend because I fell sick. So when you attend a product launch, basically you will get like a goodie bag or some free gifts to come along with the event. They're so kind enough to actually send me the goodie bag together with the products to actually review for you guys. Not a lot of companies will do that. If you don't attend an event, you lose out on the goodie bag. So without any further ado, I'm going to show you guys what this beautiful brand ulyabeauty has sent me. Opening it right up. This is the goodie bag. So it comes in a very nice matte black packaging with their logo on it. The first thing you'll get is, so this is actually how it looks like. This is actually a very gentle, so-called like a face exfoliator scrub where you put your facial wash and you actually like go ahead and like cleanse your face with this. And then next they give you a sample of the Age Defense Tinted Moisturizer, and they also give you a sample of the Daily Renewal Deep Cleanser Plus Makeup Remover. They also give you the Intense Skin Plumping Solution. Instantly sets and hydrates your skin anytime, anywhere. And this actually helps to hydrate, firm and moisturize your skin, providing your skin a very deep hydration. And you can use this before makeup to set your makeup or in between makeup, and that is really interesting. I always like products where it has a lot of functions to it. They also give you an intense exfoliator. It smells really nice. It has like those micro beads in them. Really interested to try this product out. It's a gel formula exfoliator. So you're supposed to use this product twice a week to exfoliate your skin. Intense Hydration Lipmatte lipstick in the shade Aurora right here. I would definitely say this is a very matte nude pink shade. This is a swatch right here. These are all the beautiful items that is in the goodie bag. Okay, so now the items that they actually sent me is the Age Defense Daily Renewal Deep Cleanser Plus Makeup Remover. They actually put the sample version inside the goodie bag, but they actually sent me the full version. Okay, so what this does, this is a water-based formula which has pH balance. This will help to brighten your skin, also give you hydration, properly cleanses your skin and renews skin from within, and it's also a makeup remover. So it's all in one, guys. So that is really interesting and it's suitable for all skin type. It comes in a nice, decent glass bottle, very nicely packaged. It feels very luxurious at the same time. Not a lot of facial washes come in a glass form, guys. The next they sent is the Intense Age Defense Serum, and you guys know that I love this serum so much. So this is the serum they sent me, and this is the one that I'm already currently using, which I'm almost out. So what this actually does for your skin, it removes your fine lines, dark circles, it smooths out and evens out your skin, at the same time tightening and plumping up your skin. And then the last one they sent me is the Age Defense Tinted Moisturizer, and this has SPF 35 inside. So what this does, it's a natural bare makeup. It also conceals. It also has a whitening, brightening effect. It's supposed to give you a glowy and flawless finish while giving you the hydration and the coverage that your skin needs. Hey guys, so I'm back after work and I'm going to dive right into all the products and show you guys how I actually use individual skincare. Now I'm going to actually test it out on my skin and give you guys the insight of how it actually feels on the skin and my honest thoughts about it. So next I'm going to go ahead and try out their cleanser. So this is the Age Defense Daily Renewal Deep Cleanser and Makeup Remover, and it's suitable for all skin types. And I always like to test facial wash when it comes to the eyes, whether it actually, when you open your eyes, whether it burns So it's actually very gentle around the eye area as well. Okay, so you can see my face is feeling so fresh. It didn't strip away the skin's moisture. It's not over drying. I still can feel my skin plumped. That is good. I want to give it a little bit extra loving because it's a makeup remover and a cleanser. So now I'm going to go ahead and try the Intense Exfoliator to see how it feels on the skin. So you can apply this exfoliator onto dry skin and just immediately it will wet your entire face up. It's exfoliating, guys. It feels so good on the skin. I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be back. So right now, after the exfoliator, put this on my face, and this is the Intense Skin Plumping Solution. Why does everything smell so good? Okay, the next one I'm gonna go in with is the Intensive Age Defense Serum, and you guys know that I'm already using it. And this is my favorite serum. You can tap it underneath your eyes, for your eye bag, to the skin, really nice. I really want to talk about how my skin is looking right now. It's looking very hydrated, looking very plump. This is how I like my skin. I don't like my skin to be over drying, especially when I'm using skincare. I like it to have its natural moisture and just not make my face overly oily, you can say. So I like it. I like it. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the Age Defense Tinted Moisturizer. Not sure whether it will suit my skin color though. Oh yeah, you twisted the capsule, just bursts open. Yeah, I don't think this is my skin tone. Well, probably I think you gotta really rub it in. See, it just goes into the skin. At first I was like panicking, like, oh my goodness, it's so white. But can you see, guys, it just went in so nicely, and all you need to do is probably just throw on a loose powder. If you want to store the product, you just put it in a small airtight container, and then you just close it up, and then you can keep it for your next usage. It's cleaner, and it will be in an airtight container where there's no bacteria or germs will go inside the product, so it will be easier for you guys to actually use it the next time around. So if you don't want to use a translucent powder, you can actually go ahead and use a normal compact powder, and you can just pack it on for the day and you are good. Me waking up on a Sunday, Monday morning wearing this, going to the market, I feel that my face is a little bit presentable right now. All you need to do is just jazz up your eye. Just put mascara, a little bit highlighter in between here, and just a dabble of a lipstick over your lip, and you're good to go, guys. I mean, like, this is presentable enough for me. On normal days, I look much more worse than this, guys. Okay, so my honest thoughts and my reviews for every single one of this product is the Daily Renewal Deep Cleansing Plus Makeup Remover. I really like it. It's super gentle on the skin. It doesn't dry out my skin. It keeps my skin feeling plumped and refreshed. And it does remove makeup as well. Moving on to the exfoliator. I'm amazed with the exfoliator. I'm very surprised because it comes in a gel form, and I expect it to be like a little bit thick on the skin. But immediately upon skin contact, it turned to water-based, and it was so easy to exfoliate, and it's so gentle on the skin. It didn't strip away my skin's moisture. It was amazing. As for the handheld so-called face exfoliator scrubber, this is also very gentle, but I didn't get to, because I use the exfoliator, I didn't want to over exfoliate my skin, so I didn't use this. But if you do not have the exfoliator, this can be another alternative. Just put on the cleanser onto this, and it gives you the same effect as exfoliating your face, removing your makeup, and cleansing your face at the same time. As for the Intense Skin Plumping Solution, I was amazed. The smell is amazing, and when I spritz it on my face, it instantly just swoops in. Face becomes like matte and super soft. That is amazing, guys. Of course, you guys know the Intense Age Defense Serum. I've been like bragging about this in Instagram, and now I'm bragging about this in YouTube. This is a very good serum. It helped my skin so much. So the next is the Tinted Moisturizer, which is the SPF 35. The capsule was very easy to actually like break apart. You just need to twist it, and one end will just burst, and then you just like squirt it out. But the one capsule is more than enough for one face, guys. You can probably use it like 3 to 4 times. It's a very travel friendly product. And to be very honest, when applying the moisturizer to my face, I was thinking like, oh, damn, it's so white on my skin, it's not gonna suit. But as I keep massaging the product into my skin, it just went in so beautifully. Discoloration or no whitish mark on my face, once it sets, it goes in. And one thing great about this product, and you also can use it under your makeup, it's like a perfect base for foundation, and plus point, you have an SPF 35 in it, so you don't need to worry about putting additional sunblock to it. So that is a plus point. That's why I like it. When it comes to ulyabeauty, it's not necessarily you only use it at night. You can also use it at the daytime. It's how you actually want to incorporate this skincare routine into your own skincare routine. Whether you want to put it day or night, or use it day or night, is really up to you. But to really see optimum results quicker, I would prefer you guys to actually use it day and night. You can see results in like the first 2 weeks, to be very honest. And to summarize everything up, in all this product actually just mixes and jives together so perfectly into one to give you all you need for your skin, like hydration, plumping, firming, SPF 35, glowy skin, a flawless skin finish, and even if you're oily combination, it doesn't make your skin over oily. It just like, come on guys, I've been sitting here for like the past 20 minutes. It just makes your skin so glowy. It's not oily, it's glowy. So I want to thank ulyabeauty again and giving me this opportunity to try out your skincare. I really love every single one of them. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. How is my face without makeup? Hello, no makeup. Let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. I love you, ulyabeauty, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.